So hello guys and welcome to my channel Graphic Arton. So in this video, this video is basically based on the basics of GIMP. It's the general introduction to GIMP and its tools, how you can use it, and what's the purpose to use them. So in order to do this, I will give you a little demo using a image. For this, I can open an image. Let me open it. I think. Okay, I will open this one. Just click on drag this into GIMP. It will open it. Okay. So this image I've used in my previous video. Using GIMP, I have created some Photoshop. So this I will use to give you introduction. So this is a select tool. This one. It is used to select objects and move it around. Okay, this panel is for layers. It shows how many layers you have created. Right from here you can duplicate it or create a new layers. Okay, so and this tool is basically the setting tools. If you choose any object from this, you can adjust the settings of that particular object from this panel. These are several brushes used in the GIMP. If you right click the layer, you will see these options. In this, add alpha channel, alpha to selection, add layer mask, duplicate layer. The same I have shown you that you can duplicate it right away from here in this little icon. New layer, edit layer. These are the options you can do in this particular layer. The eye is showing here is to create a visibility on and off. If you turn it on, then you will see the image. If you turn this visibility off, then you will don't see the image in the screen. Okay, and this is the opacity of the layer. If you decrease it, it will decrease. If you increase it, it will increase. So let's talk about the patch tool. Create a patch and edit patch. Click on this, create a selection over here, press Ctrl and click on the end nodes and press enter. So it will create a selection in this, so you can color it or delete it. If you delete this, you will see white portion beneath the image. This is happening because you don't have an alpha channel add-on. So if I just undo this, Ctrl plus Z, and add alpha channel, and now delete it, it will delete the white layer also. So this is the use of adding alpha channel in the particular image. So I will again undo this, and this the another use for this selection is if you select this and edit, fill with background color, I mean black. So it will only fill the selection area. It will leave the outer image which is not selected. So this is the main purpose of this. So if I grab the move tool, we still see the selection. To remove this, we will go to select, none. Okay, and this is the scaling tool. It is used to scale the image like this, and you can scale it down and scale it up like this. Okay, this is the paintbrush tool used for painting. There are several brushes here. You can install brushes of your choices from the net and paste it in the extension of the GIMP like this. And to increase the size, I have shown you the tools options, which you can customize the setting of the particular tools from here. I will increase the size, so it will increase it like this. Okay. I will choose another. See, it's there are several brushes given default in the game. If you need some other customized brushes and all, you can download it from websites and links. I will give you one in the description, and you can download this black theme of the game. I will give you the link in the description, so you can download this black theme of the game. This is the magnifying tool. You can zoom in, and pressing Ctrl will zoom out. Okay. And I think this is the ellipsis tool. It will create an ellipse selection like this. Okay. And this is the fuzzy select tool. It will select a particular color like this. If I click on this white object, it will only select this one white one, and it is the color tool. Select by color. Okay. I click on the green image, and it will select all the green ones. Select none. Okay. So in colors, there are colors tool, filters. Filters are the blur, Gaussian blur, and these are several filters you can add into the image. And in colors, you can set the color and adjust the levels of the color of the image. Threshold is the only purpose to make the image black and white. It will turn everything black and white like this. So if you want to create a black and white image, you can go to threshold and adjust the settings. Colorize it will colorize the image, whole image, into several colors by adjusting these levers like here. This is the lightness and brightness of the color, saturation, hue, like this. Okay. This is the pencil tool, and this is the rotation tool. You can rotate this by sliding this like this, or you can enter the particular angle. I think I will, if I enter 45 degree, it will rotate this image to a 45 degree angle. If I enter 90 degree, it will rotate it to 90 degree. Okay. So this is the working of this tool. This is the flip tool, like this. It is flipping horizontally. If you set this to vertical in the tools option, it will flip the object vertically, upside down. Okay. So I think this is the basic of the game, introduction to the tools, which I will use in upcoming videos. So I think this is the end of tutorial. I think you liked the video. If you like it, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel, share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss any updates from side of my channel. Okay. So have a good day and see ya.